going on? It's HaZe, still stranded at the Kiss FM studios. I'm actually doing the morning show on 96.1 The Mix with Alex Mason, our overnight guy. Wes somehow made it in here. I don't know how on earth he did. But basically 75 to 100% jam rate on the highways right now. That means it's basically impassable to drive on the highways. And we'll give you a little look outside here. This is the front door right here. That is my car in the background. I'm gonna try to walk out there to it if I can. Hang on. I'm gonna walk in this. I don't even know why, but I just want you guys to see this. Look at this. I mean, that's up to my waist. It's ridiculous. Here. Oh. This is my car right now. I'm not going anywhere for a while. We'll check out Wes. This is how he made it in to the station today. And his car is stuck out here. There's Wes right there. He came in from Oak Creek and he's stuck right here. It's about as far as he made it. Anyway, it's ridiculous out. We'll give you another video update coming up. Yeah.